Meron akong nabasang isang caption. Actually, ito ay parte ng isang mas mahabang artikulo. The caption reads, "Embrace discomfort." Sa unang basa, parang may mali. Until I realized na ang discomfort na tinutukoy ay hindi pa tungkol sa pangkaraniwang human bodily discomfort. Ang sabi, the best moments of our lives ay hindi yung kung kailan tayo relax and passive. Best moments of our lives are when our mind and our body are voluntarily stretched to the limit in order to achieve something worthwhile. Katulad ng exercise, ang weightlifting halimbawa, ang weightlifting ay nagdudulot ng too much muscle pains. But over time, weightlifting develops healthy and strong muscles. Embracing discomfort, hindi po ibig sabihin na sadya tayong naghahanap ng unnecessary sakit ng katawan. Ang ibig lang pong sabihin, we are going out of our comfort zone where there are more things to explore that we haven't yet tried. Ang success ng buhay ay hindi isang destination. Ang success ng buhay ay isang journey. It is not the giant leap that you make, but the consistent little steps that matter.